Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to search by image in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to search by image, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open the image on which you want to search. As for example, I'm going to search an image from a gallery. Just select the image, for example this one. Just keep a long press on your home button and you will get this type of Google pop-up. You must have to circle the area or the specific area which you want to search. As I'm going to search for example this one character, just circle that and you will get Google results. So if you want to search the whole image, just repeat the process and here just circle the whole image. Once you have circled, it will detect your whole image and you will get different image results. So that's how you can easily search by an image in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.